Imagine a bear eating honey and accidentally spilling sticky goo all over the forest floor. Other bears slip, bees get annoyed, and fox shops lose customers. One bear's choice messed up the whole forest. That's an externality, and it's why the owl swoops in. Today we're breaking down externalities, the hidden side effects of bear decisions. By the end, you'll know why the owl steps in as rulemaker to keep the honey world fair. Most bears think markets are perfect. You pay acorns, you get honey, end of story. But here's the mistake. Markets don't count the side effects. One bear's honey feast can hurt or help others, and that's where confusion begins. So let's split this into two flavors, the bad and the good. Negative externalities are the harmful side effects. Picture bees making honey but dumping sticky waste into the river. Bears downstream slip, fox shops lose clean water, and the forest suffers.
The bees didn't pay for that damage. Everyone else did. But not all externalities are bad. What if one bear's choice actually helps the whole forest? Positive externalities are the good side effects. Imagine a bear planting flowers near its den. Bees get more nectar, fox shops sell more honey, and the forest looks prettier. One bear's choice benefits everyone, even those who didn't plant a single flower. And here's where the owl comes in. Think about education. When a bear learns new skills, it earns more acorns. But the forest also benefits. Smarter bears invent better honey tools, fox shops grow, and bees thrive. That's a positive externality. The owl knows this, so it sets rules like funding schools to make sure more bears get educated. But most bears misunderstand externalities in significant ways. First mistake, bears think externalities are rare. Nope, they're everywhere.
Second mistake, bears assume the owl only punishes. In reality, the owl also rewards good behavior, like education. Third mistake, bears forget that rules change over time. What was allowed yesterday might be banned tomorrow. Now here's the mind-blowing part. Sometimes one externality can reshape the whole forest. Think public libraries. One bear builds a library, but suddenly the entire forest gets smarter. Fox shop owners discover new honey recipes, bees learn better flower patterns, and even the owl finds new rule books. That's a positive ripple effect so powerful, the owl makes sure libraries keep spreading. So here's the takeaway. Externalities are the hidden side effects of bear choices, and the owl steps in as rulemaker to keep the honey world balanced. Next time you see a new rule, remember it's probably about those hidden ripples.
Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next Doodle adventure.